Make money online with voiceover work at home. That's what I do, and many thousands of people all across the world do too. And it's easy with the internet. I'm old enough to remember the days before the internet, and voiceover artists had to physically travel from radio station to radio station, from recording studio to recording studio, unless it was a very high budget project in which you would have an audio line booked. Now, of course, the internet means that anybody can sell their voice to anyone in the world. And that means that clients can take their pick and choose just the right voice and a true native accent if required for their own projects. So how does it work? Basically, you can set yourself up as a voiceover artist after creating show reels in styles you're good at, and you create a basic website, and you could get yourself an agent and wait for external studio work to come in. But a much more efficient way of doing it, and one that's much more fun and where you're more in control, is to have your own home studio like I have here. That means you can record demos and auditions and actually do the proper recording jobs in the comfort of your own home. And you really need to go out to an external recording studio. What's more, you don't even need an exclusive agent. You can find direct clients yourself and also upload your voice demos and show reels onto various platforms out there. Many of them are free platforms, and you can do auditions for specific suitable jobs that are advertised. The great thing about making money online with voiceover work and voice acting is that it's incredibly flexible. You can work as hard or as little as you want. You can fit it in with other jobs you have to do. The kinds of things could be recording anything from training narrations to game promos, or even acting in video games and commercials, as well as audiobooks and long-form projects like that. Now, after following the training we offer at Voiceover Masterclass and setting yourself up at home with your own recording facility, which actually doesn't cost a fortune, doesn't have to be as posh as this, it's amazing how easy you can start. But you could earn about $200 per day after just a few months, aiming to get into six figures after a year or two as you get more and more direct clients. And people who like your voice and the way you work will book you again for their next projects. Hey, if you'd like to find out more about how to improve your voice and get it voiceover ready, and how to set up your own voiceover business at home, click the link around this video, and there's a free video-based course you can take right now. Good luck, and look, I've got another script to record, so thanks for your interest in wanting to be a voiceover artist. All the best.